This is how you prevent apps from being downloaded on your phone. There's a couple steps to set this up. So let's go into the settings. We want to make sure that we have screen time turned on. So let's scroll all the way down until we get to screen time. There it is. If you don't have screen time turned on, there might be a toggle here on your phone saying turn on screen time. You want to do that and then set a passcode. And then once you have screen time set up, you don't need to have family members or anything added. This screen time can apply just to this single device. Once you have that set up, you want to go into Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then go to iTunes and App Store Purchases, and then under Installing Apps, currently it's set to Allow, you change that to Don't Allow. And now apps from the App Store cannot be installed on this phone. And I've recently entered my screen time passcode, but usually when you enter the screen time settings, your passcode is required to enter this area. So this area is pretty secure. If you have a secret passcode that nobody knows, you've now effectively blocked apps from being able to be installed on this phone. And next, you probably want to check to see if your phone is tracking you and your movements and sending that data to Apple or even to third parties. Check out this video right here, which shows you all the places Apple's tracking you with the iPhone and how to turn it off and whether you want to turn it off. Some things are actually quite useful. Some things you might not want to use. So check out that video next. If you got value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.